I should go murder, so I should cook. This is Evan B, but I didn't take the outfit from anyone. Yeah, you see that? Okay. So I can cook. Oh, girl. I'm sorry, girl. You gotta go. You gotta go, girl. Oh. My hitbox. Oh my gosh. Where'd the girl go? Oh my god. Stop getting my... Oh my ankles are broken already. I'm gonna torture you. Oh my gosh. Finally. Where the sheriff at? Oh. That's it. What the? Okay. Right. Oh my god. My cousin is in the service, so I know she's so bad. Were you that twin? Twinny, did someone get the gun? Why isn't no one getting the gun? Where's my twin? She's still in here. So... My voice sounds different, right? Yeah, it's because I'm still sick. Oh my god. Where? Where are they? Brother. I hear them play the coins. Go to the sewer. Oh. I'll get you. I'll get you. I'll get you. Yeah, I got you. Bro, seriously, where the murder? Oh my gosh. Oh, someone got the gun. Oh my god. It's her. It's my cousin. It's Evan B, sorry.